Hey, welcome to an episode of Car Mods. I'm Jeff, and today I was doing some basic maintenance on my Honda Fit, and I just wanted to share with you the air filter that I'm going to be switching it out with. I purchased this from Amazon. Now, instead of buying the OEM Honda filter, I decided to get this one. This costs less than 10 bucks. That one costs over 20 bucks. And so just to save some money, purchase this one. Now here is the original filter. Okay, and if I turn it around, yes, definitely dirty. I need to change this. Now I usually change my filter at least once a year. I believe this one has been on the vehicle for about 16 months or so, and so it's been a little bit over a year, but it's definitely black and dirty. And here is the replacement one that I'm going to be changing with. All right, so here is a side-by-side comparison. This aftermarket one has more pleats. It has 24 on each side, so a total of 48, while the OEM one has 16, so it has 32. Now, Honda recommends that you change the filter at least once a year, especially if you live in a dusty area. And this has been on my vehicle for about 16 months or so. So as you can see, it definitely needs to be changed out. Now, the cost-wise, this is about $20-25 or more, and this one was less than 10 bucks. And again, here is the part number. I'll have it in the description below as well, and I purchased it from Amazon. And just need to go install this. Yeah. As you can see, it fits no problem, and I just have to put the cover back on and clip all the clips back together. All right, so the air filter is installed. Now, I didn't make a video of this process because I do have a upgraded 24F AMG battery in here. In order to put this in here, because it is such a tight fit, I had to remove the battery and everything to put this cover back on. Now, if you don't have a upgraded battery as I do, then it's very simple to put this back on. And I do have a video of it, so if you want, you can click on the card that's up here or in the video description below, and I'll have a video link to that as well. Now, if you want to see a video on how to swap out the battery on your Honda Fit to the 24F, please leave in the comments below. Other than that, thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.